Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the book with double stops and watching how things get a little bit more advanced, a little bit more complex, and a little bit more, interesting at the same time. Hoping that you're also improving your double stop technique on violin and learning new things. Thank you very much for your support and thank you for following me along on this journey. I hope to see you in the next video.